After flying for a couple of minutes from the backyard, I decided to come in the front yard and do one of the testing. It's going to be a crazy testing because I'm going to use my hoverboard. You guys remember that? I'm going to use my drone as a follow me mode. So I'm gonna hoverboard and see if it follows me very well or not. Hey yo, what's up everyone? This is Salman Sayyed and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do unboxing of this little guy. I just bought it. This is DJI Mavic Air. I bought this camera drone about 2 days ago. It was Eid, so it's just a small gift for me, from me, to me. A gift. I would say it is not the latest drone in the market at this moment. It is about 1.5-year-old camera drone in terms of like technology wise, but it still has some awesome features which are very essential for my work, which I think I would love it. So this drone has 4K video camera quality up to 60 frames per second, which is plenty for me at this moment, and it can also take about 8K time lapse. So that's plenty, man. That's plenty. I don't need more than that, right? Do I? So if you see, this is a fly mode combo. I will explain you how much it worth at this moment, how much I spent on this entire thing, and I bought it from Best Buy, so it's a new one. It's not second hand or the used one. So without wasting a single minute, let's go and unbox this little box. Unbox like this DJI Mavic Air. Now all I have to do is I have to cut this sticker out. Oh boy, yay! There you go. Look at the quality of this box. It's soft inside, man. Now this comes in this box. This is how it looks. They give you a bag as well, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna take this out with the bag. Do I have anything here? Nothing left. Empty box. We'll open this later. Let's keep these scissors aside. So now this is how it comes. If you see this beautiful bag DJI gives you has this straps you can put around your neck. Man, the quality of this bag is good. It's like pretty good. I did not expect it, but hey, I paid a lot of money, so what do I remove first? This is accessories and this is a drone. So in this box, first I got is the drone. Here is the drone. This is DJI Mavic Air. It's new. It says please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time and refer to the quick start guide. So this is how the drone looks like. It has this case to cover the gimbal and the camera. I'll explain you about this thing later on. This is the battery. You have this big battery here. I'll put it on a charge for the first flight once I get the charger out. There are no propellers yet at this moment because they are in the bag, and I think I need to put the propeller in, and I'll explain you more about the drone in a while. Just let's see what other things I got in this fly mode combo. Now let's take out, this is the controller. We got the controller out. This is how it looks like. You can see it has the joystick and everything. I'll open this also in a while. Let's keep it here. Then I get this. What the heck is this? I think this is a battery charger. So I get the 3 battery charger. It has 1, 2, 3 plug in. Let me just open this too as well. Yep, this is a battery charger. You can charge at least 4 batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how it looks. Pretty awesome. How do you connect? Oh, how the heck you connect? I think this is a receiver. I think this is a receiver and 3 batteries you can charge. My bad. I thought it's a 4 battery charger, but I think it's a 3 battery charger. So I'll keep this here. And this is another box here. What else we got? Nothing. That's it. Oh wow, there are more things. So in this tiny box, I got this another small box here. I am going to open it. Let's see what we got in this box. So let's see. How do you open it? Oh, there it is. I got battery 1, 2, there should be at least 3 batteries. 3. So there are 3 batteries, 1, 2 and 3 batteries I got on the phone. And this is the charger. You can see this is a charger. So this charger goes, I guess, here. How does it go? Here probably. Like this. This goes here like this. And these batteries, you can put it on them. So I'm gonna put all the batteries on charge for now so that I can start directly working. You see this line here, this should match with this. So I'm gonna put this one. 1, 2, and this is the third one. These batteries are kind of heavy. These are a little heavy. So these are 3 batteries. I put it on here. Let's put this thing aside, the boxes. This box is empty. Let's put this also aside. Charger. While this battery, I'm gonna put this batteries on charge. What else we got here? In the bag, more. If I open the bag more, let's see what else I got. I got some other stuff. Let's take all of them out and then we'll see what we got. For a moment, I'll keep the bag aside. Here, what else I got? What the heck is this? This is also another battery charger via USB if you plan to charge your battery using USB code. So this is where you can use it. I'm gonna put this here. I got 3 ND filters. Look at that. Oh! So these are 3 ND filters they give. ND filter 16, 64 and 256. These are pretty awesome. So ND filters you put on the camera lens when you're flying in a very bright day and your all the settings is already down and you cannot control any more exposure, so you use ND filter to make it more cinematic look and more shadow you can create. So they give you 3 good DJI original ND filter with the combo pack. Wow. They give you this joystick controller, those tiny thumb which goes on your controller. So let me show you how you can put that. So this is my controller here and it goes here. There you go. Come on. Now you have your controller ready. You can see that. And let's see how much battery I have. I have 2.5. You can see when you press once, you can see the light. So it has 2.5. It's not fully charged, but I think it's fine for now. On the controller, I'll explain you more about the controller. Let's see what else I got with this combo. So I got these wires. So these wires helps you to connect your phone to DJI. For example, this is C type to C type. This is USB-C to C type, and this is the one for iPhone if you want to connect your iPhone. And it's pretty easy, like you can just wrap it around and put it back right here. It goes like that. There you go. Now this is the last package. I believe in this I have some propellers, some manual, user manual and everything. Okay, so yep, user manual 1, your user guide, Mavic Air 2, the fly mode combo, the box and disclaimer, what it comes with, all the paperwork basically. Connect DJI support. They have a Facebook group also in the bin for a while. Now these are the package of propellers. They give you, I guess, see they have a mark, there's a B and this one is A. And on the drone also, when you remove this thing, you will see there are 2 types of propellers you can add. You can see there is a tiny over here, there is a mark here and there is no mark here. So those propellers should go in the right spot. I learned that from my previous drone. If you don't do that, your drone will not fly basically. So you have to make sure you put the right propeller on the right side. So I'll work on that. Here is the entire thing. I got it in this combo, fly mode combo deal. So I got a drone which is 4K drone with 60 frames per second. I got 3 batteries. I got a controller. I got 3 ND filter, extra charger, 3 battery charger, and I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pieces of propellers. So at a time you put 4. So basically 2 extra pair, basically 8 pieces. I got extra 8 pieces of propellers. So that was a pretty good deal. And altogether to buy all these things, I spent $800. It was $200 discount and it was a deal going on. So I bought it for $800 and I bought it on installment. I cannot afford it directly, so I have to be very careful when I fly this thing. And now let's put the propellers. To put the propeller in your drone, first you need to remove this foam, and you can see on the drone you have those mark. This has no mark and this one has a mark. You can see it, mark, no mark. Likewise on your propellers also there are 2 types of propellers. If you see in the center, mark, no mark, you can see it, mark, no mark. So the mark one goes onto the mark, you put it in like that, you just push it in and you squeeze it, and now it's locked. You see that? And you can see it's locked, the mark to mark. Then I'll do the same with the other as well. There you go, lock, 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 and one more to go. Let's put it here, and now these are all connected. So now you see I have all my propellers connected to the drone. Now this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to take this out and let's do our first flight and see how it looks. Well, I am back here now. It took a while to charge all 3 batteries. I charged them all in about a couple of hours, and plus outside it was pretty windy a few minutes ago. I would say a few hours ago. Now it's pretty good. The wind is not that bad anymore. So I'm back now, and here is the drone which we are going to fly. And first thing we have to do is I had to remove all the stickers. It had a lot of stickers, and then I also had to download the DJI app and install thing, and the calibrate and update firmware, anything. All those things are done. Now the drone is basically ready to fly. It has the sensor at the bottom. They kind of sense the ground before landing, and then they have the obstacle avoidance sensor at the back and also in the front. These things will help the drone to not crash or hit on something, anything on the front or at the back or at the bottom. They don't have anything in the side or on the top at this moment for this one, but the new drones which are out there, they have those things for them. But this comes under my budget, so I have it. Now they say before activating I must remove this hood, the gimbal hood. So I have to just pull it a little bit and push it, and there it is. You can see the drone is ready to fly. And in order to turn on the drone, I need to press this button once and then long press it for about 3 or 4 seconds. Now you see it started. I'm going to put the drone down here. Same with the remote. I'm going to first find the app, the DJI, this one, DJI Fly app, and then long press. Now it's on. It will automatically, it detects, and now it's connected directly. It is still pretty windy here. The drone is right behind me. So I might not, I might not go too high. I will just see if it flies or not. So in order to fly, I need to do this, probably. There it is. Now you see it started. It's pretty loud. It's pretty loud though, but it's okay. Let's fly a drone for a while. A drone is taking my first flight. If you guys can see that, it's going up there. And yay, it is pretty decent the way it's flying, even though it's windy here. I'm not getting that wind problem or anything at this moment, so it looks good. The drone has a lot of good qualities, and the cameras, and as I said, it has 4K video up to 60 frames per second. And if I film in 1080p, it will go about to 240 frames per second. That's a beast. That's a lot of power. And now even in the wind like this, if you see, like look at the tree over there and look at the drone over there. It's pretty steady, huh? It's holding it very well. I'm pretty impressed with this. So I'm gonna fly around a little bit and see how it goes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more about this drone, if you want me to make a proper review about it and how, let me land it. Safe landing. It landed pretty safe. I'm going to fly around a little bit and play with some of the shots and some of the feature it has. And if you want me to make a full video about what are the cool features this drone has and what are the things it can do, let me know in the comment section and I'll give you my full review about this beautiful drone. I just bought it 2 days ago. I know it's not the latest model, but it is good. I mean, it doesn't matter what model you use. What matters is like if it is doing the job or not. And for me, I think based on my work here, it is a good drone. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, anything you took out, please show your support by hitting that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of all the upcoming new videos. So I'll see you very soon with one more exciting video. Until then, my lovely people, do whatever you want to do in life. Don't forget to stay happy. Ciao. After flying for a couple of minutes from the backyard, I decided to come in the front yard and do one of the testing. It's going to be a crazy testing because I'm going to use my hoverboard. You guys remember that? I'm going to use my drone as a follow me mode. So I'm gonna hoverboard and see if it follows me very well or not.